So fine, guys. In the previous classes, we have discussed the fundamentals of programming concepts, keeping in mind different students, different participants. We have. So we have discussed what is the before getting into Python. So we have discussed what is language, what is programming language. Okay, how many types of programming language we have? Low level language, high level language. What is a compiler? Okay, what is assembly language? Fine. So what is the machine code? Assembly language. Okay, so basically what is the how assembly language is converted to machine language. So basically these are very basic, who doesn't know about programming. Okay, so what are the different types of high level language. Okay, so how your high level language is interpreted by the system. Okay, and what are the languages, different type of high level language we have, like Python, R, Java, C++, and all. And what is the importance of Python and what is the importance of R. Okay, so in this class, in this course, we'll be discussing about both. I'll be helping you both. Okay, because when you get into the industry, they may ask you to write our code on Python or R. Okay, but they won't ask you as a data analyst, as a business analyst. They won't ask you to write code, to develop the machine learning algorithm. But they may ask you to write code to extract the data, to clean the data. Okay, but till now we didn't write any code. Yes or no? To extract the data, clean data. So we have used some tools like web scraper tool, to extract the data. Okay, so and we downloaded the data directly with the help of CRMs or some softwares, and we also used open refine tool, okay, in order to clean the data, right? So but we didn't use any code or scripting language like Python or R, so in order to do these activities, data cleaning activities. So when you get into a company, they may ask you, or you may get a requirement where you need to write some small snippets of code in order to extract the data, in order to clean the data. Okay, so we'll also deal with the concept of data mining. Okay, where we use programming called SAS. So that also I will discuss with you. They may ask you, do you have any idea on SAS? Okay, in a brief. Okay, but they won't go in depth. No, not to worry about that. So basically, see, before getting into Python or R programming, first of all, you should understand what is this IDE. Okay, so then I will get into the basics of programming. See, we have a number of basics of programming, like what is variable, what is constant, what is data types, what is the different types of statements we have. Okay, so basically how the programming looks into. So everything I'll be discussing, keeping different participants in mind. So we have experts, we have middle level participants, even we have participants here who don't know about programming. So keeping a number of participants, I will get into each and every step. So maybe in the next class, I will explain you basics of programming. So very basic levels. Okay. So even we'll discuss. I think there is no need of object-oriented programming for your data analyst part. Okay. But however, whenever time permits, I will talk about object-oriented programming also. So what is object-oriented programming? But as a data analyst, you not bother about this object-oriented programming in depth. Okay. But if you enter into machine learning part or deep learning part, yes, you need to be funda. They will break your head in Python programming. For machine learning engineers, okay, for deep learning engineers, we will be teaching Python for more than 2 or 3 months, only Python. Okay, so but for data analyst, okay, we'll go in brief. Okay, but even though in brief, I'll take a number of classes for Python also. Fine. So before getting into the basics, let us understand what is this IDE. Okay, so yesterday's class we have discussed what is IDE. It's nothing but integrated development environment. Basically, it's a platform which will help the developer or a data analyst not write some Python coding or any coding, any programming language. Okay, so basically it is an integrated development. What is my integrated development environment? We'll be having all tools together in order to build the in order to write the program, in order to develop the program, in order to test the program, in order to execute the program. Okay, so basically you'll be having a complete package to edit, to build and test completely. So it will make the software engineer life very easy. Okay, so instead of writing a program in a text file and executing somewhere, okay, everything is given in one software that is called as IDE. Fine. So very basic definition of IDE, and we have two types of IDE. One is local IDE and another is cloud IDE. So and so in order to write develop your Python programming, the most types of IDE you'll be using two important types of IDEs. One is Jupyter. Okay, so one is Jupyter, another is Google Colab. Google Colab. Colab means collaboratory. Okay, these two IDEs. Okay, these two are the most popular IDEs. Okay, which are used by the data analyst or a data scientist in order to carry out different operations in his day-to-day life. Okay, so it is our duty to understand how to install this Jupyter IDE, how to install this Google Colabs, how to write the programs on these IDEs, how to execute the programs. Okay, so it will make your life very easier. Okay, so before actually understanding what is meant by Python programming, okay, what is meant by Python. So let us understand. In this class we'll spend a couple of time in order to install these IDEs. Okay, so first of all, we'll discuss about the most widely used popular IDE called as Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so in this class we'll be discussing how to install the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, how to create your first Python program. So basically, Jupyter Notebook is open source web application tool. So basically, it will run on web. Basically, it runs on the server. Okay, but however, you need to install this Jupyter as an application. Okay, so I'll show you step by step process how to do that. Okay, in next slides in very detailed manner. So not only programming, not only Python programming, your Jupyter notebook, which is an IDE, okay, which is an integrated development environment software, it will support 40 programming languages, including your Python. Okay, so apart from Python, you can develop or you can write 40 programming languages like Python, R, Scala. Scala is one of the programming languages in big data. So big data is one of the concepts, okay, where even as a data analyst or a data scientist, you should have an idea of what is big data, where Scala will be used as a programming. So you can use n number of programming language up to, it will support 40 programming language to develop, okay, to write, to develop, to test and maintain. Okay, so basically, this is about, I don't want to confuse more here itself, because I want to show you practically. This is very little about Jupyter programming. Okay, sorry, Jupyter IDE. Fine. So now, how to basically what is the step-by-step process of installing the Jupyter Notebook? Okay, Jupyter Notebook. First, you need to install something called as Anaconda. Okay, see, Anaconda is most popular data science platform. Okay, it is useful for data science, machine learning applications, and predictive analytics, and a number of data analytics applications. So Anaconda is one of the best platform which is used by the most of the data scientists or data analytics. Okay, in order to run this IDE. Okay, so if you want to run this, see, this IDE, this Jupyter IDE is a cloud-based application. It will run on cloud. Okay, so but in order to run this IDE, first of all, you should download the Anaconda. Okay, that itself is a tedious process. It is around 3 GB. Previously it was 3 GB. Now they reduced to 1 GB, I think. Okay, so you need to download this Anaconda software. So which is one of the data science platform where you have a number of IDEs like this. Okay, so let us explore how to download this Anaconda platform. Okay, so now I want someone to share their screen. I want to enter into their computer. So please install AnyDesk. Uh, you know, so I can take. So who is using laptops here? So anyone? So I want AnyDesk. So I want to enter into their system, so that I want to share their I want to install Anaconda software in their laptop.
I'm using laptop.
Yeah. So please, can you install? Go to google.com. So go to google.com.
Yes, sir, I'll go it.
Click on
AnyDesk.
because already I installed Anaconda in my system, so it's difficult for me again to install. Okay,
I
so
need
go.
to install AnyDesk, sir.
Yeah, please install AnyDesk. So AnyDesk, click on AnyDesk. Yeah. So click on AnyDesk. Just download now. Click on download now. Okay. So first, what you do? Can you share your
Screen,
so
yes, sir.
share your screen? Just I will stop my screen here.
Okay.
Yeah, stop. So please share your screen.
Yes.
So guys, please follow what I'm doing here in Venkat Abhiram.
Yes, my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, we are able to see your screen. Yes.
Yes.
So let me connect to your system. 1 minute. Beyond like that. Behold. So your IP address is yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, desktop. So I to installed any disk. Yeah. Give me some time. Yeah. Card, my disk. Yeah. Okay. New session. Okay. Remote. Yeah. So let me enter your remote ID. So I'm going to connect to your system now.
Yes, try to see the remote ID.
Can you please tell your remote ID, please?
Your address. Yeah, 1667
1667
8890
8890
12.
12. It's going to connect. Please accept. Na?
Yes, sir.
You can accept. Yeah. So now, stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be sharing my screen. Unmute yourself and reduce the volume on your voice. You can join with your mobile also to hear the voice. Can you please accept the connection? Yes. One minute. Venkatesh, just mute your computer. Mute your computer. Hello? Yes. Venkatesh, just mute your computer. Mute your volume. Is it okay now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, what I'm telling Venkatesh, just mute your sound in your computer. Not that computer volume, laptop volume.
I have muted that volume also. Okay.
I think it's 1 minute. Hope you are able to hear me, right? Hi guys. So, else what we do, just Okay, so I'll come out of this. Let Venkatesh will. I'll tell you Venkatesh how to do the setup. Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Yeah,
I'm having little bit knowledge of all those things. So you just
no
tell me.
problem. So Venkatesh, I'll be stopping this. So you can share your screen.
I'll share my screen and I'll share
1
my
minute.
screen. You just
Let me disconnect
tell
this.
me. I'll do that.
Sir, your voice echo.
Let me disconnect this. Close it. Yeah. So Venkatesh, share
Yes,
your
sir. Yeah, yes, sir. I can show this. Sir.
close this disk.
Hmm.
Close it. Yes, yes, yes. Click on yes. Okay. Accept on. Okay. Cancel. Minimize it. Or else just minimize it. Huh?
Hmm.
So go to google.com. Go to google.com.
Yes, sir.
On
Tell me.
Anaconda. Click on Anaconda. I mean, type Anaconda. Data. So click on free download. Yes. Okay. So now see here, guys. See, go to pricing. Basically, now just it is a paid tool. Also, you can accept all. Click on accept all. So it's a paid tool basically. Okay. So but here we'll be using free tool. Okay. So click on go back again. Go back. Yeah. Go down. Come down. So free download. Right side you have top corner free download. Click on free download. Right side. Yes. Click on that. Yeah. Now download. Click on download. So now see here, it is going to download. Please check there. Yeah. So it will take some time. It's a .exe file. It is around 1 GB file. Previously, it was when I was working, it is a 3 GB file. Now it is 1 GB file. Lot of uh, so things came into the picture. Now see here, they are telling something here. Thank you for downloading. Skip the installation process with our cloud-based Jupyter Lab notebook experience, fully loaded with the Anaconda packages, panel app development, sample data catalogs, and notebook templates. See, if you don't want to download the Anaconda, directly when you click on launch, so click on when you click on launch cloud notebooks, what happens? Completely the Anaconda, the software will be available for you in the form of cloud. So just sign in with the Google. Click on sign in with the Google. Okay. Yeah. So sign in with your name. You must have Gmail ID compulsory.
Yes.
Click on it. Click on it. Continue. So now what is happening? The same software you are able to use, with the help of cloud. Please enter verification code. You can check your email. You have entered different mail ID.
No, this one. Only.
Go check on. Go to spam. No. Inbox. Check another mail ID. Should have come. Check once. Wait. No. Go back.
Or else I'll sign up.
No need. Don't need. You will get Venkatesh. Check your email ID.
Yeah,
Give the
this one only
email.
same.
Again, you check. So it will take some time. Okay. Another. Go back. You do one thing again. Go to Anaconda website. Click on again. See how much time it is taking, to install. Still, it is downloading. Okay. If you want to skip download, basically you can directly get into this cloud-based software. Okay, so where you do not have 1 GB of space in your system. Suppose if you don't have 1 GB space in your system, if you are running with click on accept all. If you are running with low RAM in your system, you do not worry about that. Okay, launch server. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. So you don't have to worry about that. Directly, you can use this cloud-based application of Jupyter. Okay, so so directly in the cloud, it'll be connected to the server directly. So and whatever the you are able to view, that is a client-based tool. So directly how you are using Open Refine tool, yes or no? Like that, you can use your Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook is one of the IDE in order to basically develop your programs. Okay, so now so this is a look and feel of your so click on something called as file. Go to file. Click on file, new. You click on console or notebook. Yeah, click on notebook. So this is your okay. Give some meaningful name. Use a meaningful name. Okay, wait.
It's
Click on
it's a compiled version, sir.
select. Click on select.
This
Enough.
one only? Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
select.
Hmm.
So now see here, this is your IDE, basically integrated development environment, where you can execute the Python codes. Okay. So now see here, within seconds, Mr. Venkatesh has connected to this IDE. It's a cloud IDE, cloud-based IDE, similar to your Google Colab. Okay, Google Colab is also a cloud-based IDE. After this session, I'll be showing you. So the same thing, again, he's downloading. And if you see here, I think download has been finished. So yeah. So click on, I hereby am older than 13. Come down. Data collection, enable data collection. Okay, no problem.
Oh, okay.
Okay, fine. So click on that stars. Go away. You have 3 stars, right? Right side. Click here. Click. Go. So basically, this is your IDE. Click on there. Type 2 plus print brackets on first when so colon. Okay, print 2 plus 3. Print 2 plus 3. Yes, print 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Okay. No need of colon. Remove that.
Okay.
2 plus 3. Close the bracket. Now shift enter. You see, this is one of the command which you are giving to the program. This is a high level command. So what he's doing, he's trying to print the summation of 2 plus 3. It is 5, right? So he entered the program. Basically, it's a command, and he used shift plus enter. Shift plus enter. When you did shift plus enter, it is calculating. It has 5, and it is giving the output here itself. Okay. So this is a very first program. You have did it. So basically, you want to rename this program name. See here, that is untitled. Okay, so just you click your right side, left side, click on right click, rename. Right click, rename, click on. So first underscore program dot IPYNB. That is an extension. PY means Python, NB means it is notebook. That's it. Hit enter. That's it. So your first program has been created. So this is how you need to use your integrated development environment called Jupyter Notebook. See, directly it is taking you to the Jupyter Notebook here. Okay, it is a cloud-based basically. Same thing, you will be using the Google Colab also. So before getting into the Google Colab, so let me explain you, how to install this Anaconda. Anaconda is
So
very
the file has downloaded.
yeah. So go to that file, go to downloads. Yeah. So yeah, wait. Double click on this. Yeah, double click on this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's a .exe file. So install this and C drive. It will take some time. 1 minute. Yeah. Click on next. Accept. I agree. Okay. All users. Select all users. Okay. Next. Next. Just wait for some time. Now, so it has selected this path. Basically, the C program. Don't change that path. Click on next. See, 1 minute. Go back. See how much space required. 5.7 GB. Suppose if you don't have a system or a laptop or a computer without this much space, you do not worry. Directly go with what? Cloud-based IDE. Cloud-based IDE. Cloud-based IDE, it requires very simple like KB, kilobytes of data. Just, you should have internet, that's it. Okay, directly, your client, the thin client, we call it a thin client, it will be connected to the your user interface, your UI UX user interface will be connected to the server directly. So whenever you write the programs, just you'll be writing the programs on the client side. So when you execute the program will be executed in the server side and it will throw the output to the client side. So it is a client server architecture. Basically, it's a two-tier architecture. You do not worry about that. Suppose if you don't have any space. Now, I think Venkatesh, you have enough space in your system.
Yes, sir. I have
Right?
access on the way.
Okay, so already it is telling, yeah, clear the package cache. Yeah, click on it. Always, yeah, install. It will take minimum 5 to 2 minutes of installation based on your RAM. If your RAM is very fast, if you have good RAM, installation will be very fast. Yes. Here it will take more time because it is installing n number of packages.
Yes, sir.
So Anaconda is one of the powerful data science platform tool where uh, this Jupyter notebook will be available as a cloud IDE. So basically, there is nowadays no one will download this Anaconda and get into this Jupyter notebook directly. They'll be using cloud-based Jupyter notebook, or mostly they'll be using Google Colab. Okay, yeah. So for Google Colab, a very simple thing, you should have Gmail ID. That's it. Okay, that also I will tell you how to install it after this class. So today we'll discuss about these installations. So in tomorrow's class, we'll start your basics of programming, because some students, they don't know what is programming also. Okay, so just I need one class to do what is basics of programming. Then I will get into something called as your Python programs. So basically we'll write very small programs, how to extract the data, how to clean the data. Okay, so all these programs we'll do. It will be very funny. Okay, then we'll get into yeah, so we'll get into something called as we'll try to get into Power BI as soon as possible, because so I want to make you perfect in Power BI. Okay, so once you finish Power BI, we'll get into some real-time projects. Okay, so hands-on real-time projects. I'll give case studies, n number of case studies of my clients itself. You can go through that. You can directly put in your resume. We'll give description, roles and responsibilities. Okay, so these are not repeated projects anywhere. Okay, so these are not repeated projects. Before that, we'll give you a number of case studies, work on it. Then I'll give projects, submit those projects. Then we'll prepare your resume. Okay, we'll start putting into the companies directly. Okay, so after your Power BI, your placement starts. Okay, be ready. Yeah. So mostly I need 1 month of time. So today is February. Yes. So mostly within February your placements will start. Yeah. Last week of February, your resume will be ready.
Okay, sir.
I don't think that once you start getting calls, your work is over. Lifetime you should be studying. Okay, so once you go to the interview, you will be going to the interviews only on Power BI side. Okay, so that is one thing, and parallelly you will be studying a number of tools like Tableau, the machine learning. So the studies will be continued. Data science, project management, all these things. Yeah. It will take some time, guys. Should be patient. So these things you can avoid. All these things you can avoid with the help of what you called cloud based. So can you minimize this Anaconda? Minimize it. Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll play here around. So you can type some simple commands like x is equal to 2. Type x is equal to 2. So shift enter. Shift enter. See what is this shift enter, not enter. If you okay, now see here. So basically now print x. Yeah, print x. We are a print brackets x. That's it. Shift enter. Now see here. So what is the meaning of this? What you are telling basically? So let me open my pen. Okay. So x is equal to 2. 1 minute. See yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. So x is equal to 2. Basically, what is the meaning of this? So x is a variable. Okay, I'm assigning a constant called 2 to the variable called x. Okay. See, And see, what is this equal to? It is equal to, it's nothing but assignment operator. It is nothing but assign. It is one of the operators. I'll discuss you how many types of operators we have. Okay. So what is assignment operator? Basically, that assignment operator will assign the constant to the variable. Okay. So the two is going to be stored in some memory location. For that memory location, we are giving the name called X. Okay. So basically, we are trying to print. We are trying to know what is the value stored in X. It is 2. So these are all I will explain in next classes, the basics, of Python programming. You do not worry about this. Now y is equal to 3, you put y is equal to 3. Hit shift enter, print y. So Javed, now what is the output? So what will be the output when you say print y, Javed?
It will be 3.
That will be 3. Yeah. So 3 is assigned to y variable. That is, you are going to store 3 into y and you are able to print. Now, so print. Okay. Add. Now you want to add x and y. Okay. So we have something called as add function. Yeah. Add. Okay. So brackets x plus y. Okay. Shift enter. Okay. Now see here why it is this is an error. Suppose if you do any mistake in your Python programming, okay, it is very user friendly, guys. It is telling what kind of error. See, add is not defined. It doesn't know what is add. So every programming is having its own syntax. Every programming is having its own syntax. Click x plus y simply. Click x plus y. Hit enter. Okay. Now print. Now one minute. 1. Z is equal to x plus y. Shift enter. Now print z. Shift enter. Why it is not coming? Okay, so these things we'll explore. So in order to understand what is the issue and all, we will explain what is the programming, what is the variable, what is the constant, what is assignment operator. Okay, so what is double equal to operator, what is if condition, else conditions, what are the different loops in programming. So basically we'll explore the basics of funda of programming. Okay, then we'll enter into this Python programming. I see IDE. This is our IDE, integrated development environment, which will help you to write some code or execute some code. So now Venkatesh is writing some code, he's getting some errors, he's executing some program, but he doesn't know what is happening. Okay, so he wants to debug something, right? So this is an environment where Venkatesh is using to write the program. So that is the main motivation of the class of today. Okay, so now just can you get into the installation? I think it is done, right? Yeah, it's happening. Okay. So now go to Google. Venkatesh, go to Google. Click on Google. Let us finish. Type Google Colab. Google Colab. So yeah. Now see here first. Click on Welcome to Google. Welcome to Collaboratory. No. Go back. Go back. Yeah. Welcome to Collaboratory. So this is your URL colab.research.google.com. This is the URL. Wait. 1 minute. So this is the URL where if you want to enter into your Colab, Google Colab, that is your URL where you should use colab.research.google.com. Okay, in order to write some Python programming. Now, as soon as you enter into the website, it is showing some pop-up, right? So what is this pop-up? What Python files recently you have used? I didn't use any Python files. Click on examples, Venkatesh. Click on examples. Now there are a number of examples. You can scroll down. Okay. So already it itself is showing a number of examples. In your free time, you can just go through what is the examples and all. Left side, click on Google Drive. See, you can save the Python programs in your Google Drive where you can extract here, you can save the here. Okay, all those things. As of now, he doesn't have any Python programs. Click on GitHub. See, GitHub is a platform where you can store some technical stuff. I'll tell you what is GitHub in future class, in next coming classes. First of all, we'll teach you what is that is very, very important. See, whatever, I'll tell you one thing, whatever you are doing in the class, practicals, whatever the case studies you are doing. So in the previous classes, you did one case study of Apshala, right? Apshala is one of the edutech company, education company, where you started predicting the results for the Apshala, right? It can be sales, or it can be lead quality results, or it can be anything. Basically, you have used Accio, MI tool, basically ML tool, okay, which is more powerful than your Power BI. Okay, so you have used that Accio tool and you started predicting the Apshala, forthcoming, sales or whatever maybe, or lead quality. So that is a case study you did, right? So this case study you would have uploaded in GitHub. So this helps you when you go to the interview. Okay, you can show to the interviewer, this is my contribution. Okay, and you can prepare your video resume. Okay, prepare your in a very resume format in a very useful way. Even in the video resume, you can introduce about yourself. You can prepare your website on your own. Okay, so throw some 5,000 rupees to web developer. He will prepare a website on you. So put a lot of content, whatever you did there. Okay, so the more content you have, the more practicing things you have, that there are many chances where you can get a job. So now you can click on upload. So you can upload a file, you can write a program for Python programming in Python file, okay, or Notepad. Directly you can upload here. Okay, so all these things you can do. So click on cancel here, down, cancel button. Yes. Now basically there are there are a lot of documentation here where you can what you can study by your own. Lot of stuff. Don't waste your time. You can study by your own. So now I want to open what do you call it? Click on code. Click on code. Okay, 1 minute. Go to file. Go to file. Yeah. New notebook. Click on new notebook. Yeah. So now see here, your new Google Colab notebook will be opened as a web IDE, cloud-based IDE. Now here no installation is required for this. Directly it is connected to the server. Okay, see here it has that's it. Now change your this is your okay. So click, yeah. So it looks similar to your Jupyter notebook, yes or no? So these are cells. What you are whatever where the cursor, Mr. Venkatesh is putting the cursor, right? That is called as a cell. Okay, where you can type your program or command and you can execute the command. So it's a place where you can type your command and execute the command. It's called as a cell. Okay, like that you can create multiple cells. Okay, you can merge the cells. You can reshuffle the cells. Okay, so these things and all we'll practice in the next class. So basically, when you write the first program, in the Google Colab, it will take some time to connect to the server. Okay, for the first time, it will take some time. For the next time, it won't take any time because already it's connected to the server. In no seconds, it will execute the program. So what is the advantage of Google Colab? See, there are n number of libraries in Google Colab, which is very used for data analytics or data science or machine learning and deep learning. So you not borrow from other technologies. Okay, yeah. Click on next. The installation is over. Click on next. Yeah, Anaconda. Click on finish. Now see here. Just wait for some time. Your Anaconda is going to be launched, where we can launch your Jupyter. Don't get confused. Jupyter Notebook is different IDE. Google Colab is different IDE. Okay. So both are powerful IDEs based on your taste. If you like vanilla, you can taste, or if you like strawberry, you can taste. Okay. So I like both. Fine. So based on your taste, you can adjust for yourself. You can practice your sessions. Yeah. Just it is initializing the Google Colab. Just wait for some time. Let us finish this. Sorry, Anaconda. Then we'll enter into this Google Colab. 1 minute. Yeah, it did. Left side. Anaconda navigator. Yeah, click on it. Yeah, click on it. Wait. No, remind me later. Now see here. Can you just close? Close it. Yeah. Can you expand? Can you maximize the screen? Yeah. Now see here, this is your Anaconda navigator where you have n number of tools here. Okay, each tool is having own purpose. So that is your Jupyter notebook where you can launch this Jupyter notebook. Okay, so when you click on launch, your Jupyter notebook IDE will be launched as IDE, cloud-based IDE. Okay, just click on launch. Now see here, it is going to launch your Jupyter notebook as a cloud-based IDE. So already you have launched, without any installation. Now by installing the Anaconda, you have launched the Jupyter-based IDE. Now see here, just click on that URL, just URL localhost. Click on that URL. Go to URL. Upper tab. Click on. Now see here, it's localhost colon something /. What is that localhost? It is installed as it is running as a local to your system and it is connected to the server. It is a web-based IDE basically. Okay. So now there are different folders here. In any one of the folder you can create, or directly you can create one new folder. Go to new, right side here, right side. Click on new, create folder. Click on folder. Type your name. Identify where it is a new untitled folder. Below searches. See here below searches folder there is untitled folder. Click on it. No, go back. So select this, check this. Yeah. Now here, right click, rename. Oh, no, just can you rename it? Can you find how can you go? How can you rename it? No, go back, go back. Just try to rename it. Click it. One minute. Oop, just go up. Just click on it. Go up. Rename. Yeah, rename. Yeah.
Yes.
So type your name, Venkatesh. Venkatesh. That's it. So with your folder, with your name, create one folder. Okay, rename it. Click on rename. Now get into that folder. Double click. Double click. Now go to new. Click on new. Click on new. Click on Python 3. Python 3. That is, you are creating one new Python file. Okay. Now see here. This is your Jupyter IDE. What you already opened, what you already executed with the help of Jupyter. What do you call the cloud-based IDE without any installation. Without installation, already you did it. The same thing. The same look and feel you will get for Google Colab also. The same look and feel. So whatever you are seeing here, it is called as a cell. Okay, just type what you call print 2 plus 3. Print 2 plus 3. Shift enter. That's it. Okay, the same thing. Everything is same. There is no change. Only that this is Maruti car, that is Swift car. That's it. Both are cars. Okay. Only that you decide whichever you want. Now you can save this. Go to Untitled. Upper. Click on Untitled. Click on it. Very easy. Save it. My first program. First underscore program. First underscore program. That's it. This is your first Python program. Okay, fine. So if you want to log out, you can log out by clicking, or you can be don't log out. Just if you want to save, you can. If you want to export a number of things, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay. So then go to the next tab, Venkatesh tab. Venkatesh tab. See here, a file is created with a extension called .ipynb. Okay. The same extension is used by the Google Colab also. Now go to Google Colab. Yeah. Right side. Yes. So see, everything is same. Everything is same. Now print 2 plus 3. Shift enter. Now see here, it is taking time. Right side, it is connecting. See here, go to the right hand corner. It is connecting to the server. It will take some time. Just wait. It is connecting to the server. It will allocate some space for it. It will allocate some memory instance. To Mr. Venkatesh. It's connected. See here, RAM, disk. What is the size? Everything you can able to see. Now it is connected. Now, okay. Now insert new cell again. Insert new cell. Code. Yes. Now type print 2 into 3. Print 2 into 3. Now without taking any time, immediately it will give the results. It won't connect to the server. Already is connected. Okay. Shift enter. That's it. 6. See here. Okay. So this is Google Colab is very powerful tool. It's a very powerful cloud-based IDE in order to develop your Python programming. Not only Python programming, you can develop a number of programs also. Okay. Hope you understood what is IDE. Okay, in today's class. So you are very convenient, in using IDEs. First you should be able to know how to drive your car. Then only you will understand where to go and how to go. Otherwise, you do accidents. So first try to be familiar with these tools. So please can you save this file, this first program? Yeah, save it. Hit enter. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so these files will be saved in your drive and you can open it wherever you want. You can upload. Okay, so a number of things. So next class we'll discuss. So we'll be using Google Colab and Jupyter notebooks for a couple of classes. Okay, so we'll spend some 10 classes on Python. Okay, then we'll get into something called as data visualization tools. Okay, like your Power BI. So before getting into Power BI, I want to teach you what is ETL. Because there is something called as Power Query where you need to extract the data, you transform the data. So I'll take some data analyzing classes for you. Okay, then I'll enter into your Power BI technology. Okay, and so basically There are some certifications for Power BI. So I recommend highly to go with some certifications in order to get your job immediately. Okay. So there are some certification dumps also. Okay. So where you'll get certified from Microsoft itself, you need to pass in the exam. It's very easy, not to worry. Okay. So always I recommend you to get certified by Microsoft so that you can put in your resume that you are Microsoft certified Power BI developer. Okay. Fine. As a data analyst. Okay. So fine, guys. So today, I think we spent a couple of useful time. Okay. So I request everyone, please what do you call practice on these IDEs. Okay, by your own, and I'll be sharing these recording sessions. Okay, soon with the help of Samir. Okay. So any questions, guys, as of now?
Sir, what is the Microsoft certification fees?
Yeah. Google Venkatesh, just go to. Okay. So let's start here. Okay. Fine. Let me share the screen. Let me share my screen. So just type google.com. So Power BI Microsoft, type Microsoft Power BI certification. Okay.
Mm.
So this is your Microsoft certification. Okay. This is the
Only
certification. How to transform the data, how to create a data models, how to visualize the data. So basically, just you can, even you can find the free content. So once I finish this Power BI, you can go and go through learning path, prepare the data for data analysis, modeling of data with Power BI. There is a free, what you call content which is available. You can go through that. Then there is an exam, that is called PL 300 exam. Basically, it is conducted by Microsoft Power BI as a data analyst. If you have the certification, so it is around $165. Okay, so approximately it will cost you around 165 US. So it is 30,000 rupees. Okay, so if I recommend you to take this, okay, and then only go to interviews, because it will carry more weight for you. Okay, that is one thing. But it's not mandatory, guys. Okay, certifications are not mandatory. Experience is mandatory. Okay, so not to worry about that. But if you have, that's good actually. But don't ask me, sir, I got certified, but why I'm not getting job? Because your job completely depends upon your interview performance. Okay, so certifications and all, it will play one important role to shortlist your resume. For example, 10 members will apply for the job. Okay, in that, one guy and two guys will be certified by Microsoft. So those two people will be shortlisted because obviously it is certified by Microsoft. Obviously they think that they are good compared to others, but they may get rejected because they are good in nowadays a number of things are happening. Without doing exam they will do certificates. Okay, so they may get rejected. So but that's what a number of factors plays in your interview when you are doing, but 100% marks you'll get when you involve in real-time projects, when you do some project demonstrations. Okay, so these things, you get a more weightage in your interview. Okay, apart
Okay,
from
sir, thank you.
but however, certifications, if you ask me, yes, it's also important. Okay, yeah. So yes, fine, guys. Okay, so I'll be sharing this video for you soon. Mostly by night, you'll be getting this video. So go through this video, and you have one tomorrow's class. What do you call it? Tomorrow you have a time, right? Please practice when you're coming day after tomorrow. Please practice these IDs and all come so that we'll start doing some programs. Okay. So then we'll continue these classes for a couple of times. Then we'll get into your Power BI concepts. Okay, fine. See, why I want to start Power BI, because I want to push you to the industries as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to waste your time in the training. So please go and attend the interviews. Get heated up. You need to get some failures. Okay, then you'll ask many questions. Then you'll come to know what is the life. Okay, fine. So once you get two or three failures, obviously, you'll teach me how to get a job. Fine. Thank you so much. See you soon. So your next
Thank
class will be on Saturday, same timings, 9 p.m. Saturday, 9 p.m. Thank you so much. Bye. All the best.
Thursday,
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
not
Yes.
Thursday, no?
Any questions?
Today is Tuesday, right? The next class will be on Thursday, right?
Sorry.
Today is Tuesday, so the next class will be on Thursday. You said Saturday.
Thursday not closed.
Today is Thursday, right? Sorry.
Today's Tuesday,
Sorry.
sir.
Tuesday.
Sorry, today is
That's
Tuesday.
okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Next class will be on Thursday. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
I thought it is Thursday today. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye.